Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am unboxing the Jofay Fashion press-on nails. Now I have tried this brand before, but this is a different set because it comes with multiple different press-on colors that you can try. Now they have everything from like browns, pinks, purple, a little bit of everything. They have a lot of sets like this, but anyway, so this is just like about the brand. They give you like a little card. Then this is the nail glue, and then they have this little thing with the alcohol pads and the buffer, the file, I forgot what you call it, the pick thing that you can pull out off your nails off after you soak them. Then they give like these stickers. I didn't really use them, but just so you know, everything that comes in the packaging, it was like stickers of butterflies and hearts. Alright, next, this is just how to use the products, those steps. Now, I've been doing press-ons for a minute, so I didn't really need to follow this. But just if you're new to press-ons, it's good to have. And then lastly, they just have a little more info booklet. And I believe they had like a coupon code in here, 50%, but they said you have to email them. And they were just showing the different things that they have. So the nail glue, the adhesive tab, and they also sell the solid nail glue. Now, I decided to go with the purple color because it's my favorite color. Why not? So here I'm just like going through the nails so that I can match the nails to figure out which one is the right fit for me. Now I don't want to bore you guys, so I showed you guys a little bit of me matching my nails, and then I kind of like move on to the next thing. So I try to speed this up as much as possible so that it's not long and we get to the point. Now, as you guys can see, I have all the nails laid in front of me. So now I am just going in with the nail file using my nail file to help do my nails. Now, normally if you guys watching my nail press-on nails, I've done the nail drill, but I kind of just wanted to do this pretty quick and not waste time. Then I went in with my cuticle tool just to get around my cuticles, make sure my nails are nice and neat, and push it back. Now I'm going in and just falling down inside the nail, which is the same step that I would normally do too, but just with the nail drill, so same concept, because I heard that this makes your nails last longer. So far I've been pretty lucky with press-ons. Here and there I will probably have one pop off, but majority generally stays long from the prep that I use personally. Everybody's different, but the prep normally I feel like is what keeps it the longest. And I think the glue too. But anyway, so I'm using my nail dehydrator, which I'll link down below. They do give alcohol pads, but I just decided to use my nail dehydrator. And then I went in with my primer because that's supposed to help. Like, you could also use this under a light really, but I just use it to help the glue stick and last longer, to be honest. So that's why I will go with this, because I feel like my last set lasted pretty long because I did that. So I'm just pressing it down now after using the glue. Now it was hard to show you guys this because it's like I had to put my hand down and up, but I was just making sure my nails didn't look crooked, because if it looked crooked, down would be great, right? So I was trying to just make sure I shape it, and then I press it down so you guys can see. I just press it down for a good, like, I want to say like 30-60 seconds, just to make sure that's all the way down and in place. And then I just move on to the next one, self-explanatory. Putting glue on my nail, going with the primer, putting glue on my nail, and then adhering glue to the press-on, and then putting it together. So watch all that, and then I'll come to you guys with the end result. As you can see, I'm doing the last one on my my left hand actually, and then I am going to do the second hand, but I didn't want to bore you, made it super long. I'll show you guys the end results, but thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I will let you guys come back in the comments and let you guys know how long these lasted me, how good their glue is. But as far as how their nails look, I like them. They're really cute. And so yeah, thanks for watching.